Hello ladies and gentlemen, so today we are doing the Nail Addict video. Before we get started, let me explain a couple things. They contacted me about doing a video for them. I told them the same thing that I tell everybody. I'm super honest in my reviews. I won't lie for anybody. If there's a problem with it, I am going to show it, and I'm going to show how to work around it if that's an issue, you know. I said, so you may want to rethink whether or not you want me to do that, and they were basically like, yeah, we're not worried. Whatever you want to do, as long as you show the colors. And I gotta tell you, I really don't mind working with companies like that. They seem kind of trustworthy to me. So I got to pick a couple colors. Of course, I did my pink and blue. I got a purple. Like, how big are these bottles? They're like pretty hefty. Got my pink and blue, got one with a little glitter and the top coat so I could get like a full, get the full experience. They are vegan and 9-free. Since I did the couple of different vegan videos, I thought it would be cool to check out some vegan gel polish. They do recommend it with their top coat and base coat. I just got the top coat because I wanted another color. So, pretty excited about this. The company is like, they're based out of Los Angeles. They're really big on, women empowerment, and just their website's really cool. If you guys get a chance, check it out. I am going to be posting the link in the description box, and they gave me a code for 45% off for you guys, so I'll be posting that as well. But in the meantime, I just want to play around with the colors a little bit, especially these ones. They're my favorite. I am actually redoing my office right now, my studio, I guess, in all pink and blue. They're my favorites. So let's get these open, and we are gonna start playing in the colors. And these are actually the ones that I used on the skull nails that I had on. It was this polish, and it's kind of cool because the blue one smells like blueberries. It has a really good smell to it, which usually gel polish doesn't really have a smell, I don't think. Sometimes, like the Macart top coat has like a formaldehyde kind of, I don't know, it's got a weird smell to it. Pink doesn't really have one. Let's check the purple. Purple has a little fruity smell, like almost like a grape. Nothing on the glitter. So we are going to get up extra close so you guys can see everything. And we've already applied base coat. Let's check it out. By the way, the bottles are completely full. They are super huge. Like, I think it said, how much is in here? Let me see. It says a ½ ounce, but these bottles are wicked big. And when I use them on my nails, I just did one coat. And it seems to be super pigmented, so that's all you really need. I mean, I usually do 2 anyway, just because I'm horrible at, at polish. So I use 2, but it's not really necessary. Which is weird because usually if it's not regular gel polish, the other vegan ones that I've tried were kind of thin. Yeah. And you know me, we only do 1 coat. This blue is absolutely gorgeous. So the pink one is called Hottie Me. And the blue is Marina Del Rey. Yeah, it's thick, like, the polish isn't thick, the color is thick. Does that make sense? Like, it's not, like, I like Moto 1's polish too because you can usually use 1 coat, but it's very thick. So it's hard to get it even. This isn't, like, it's not so thick that you can't work with it. And again, 1 coat. I'm curious about the black glitter one to see if that is the same. We're gonna shine the flashlight through it when they're done. This purple is super dark. They're so pretty. I didn't even realize I kind of got a rainbow thing going here with the colors that I picked. But yeah, I was pretty impressed with the person that contacted me. They were super not concerned at all, which means they trust their product. I like that. And it also means that they checked out my channel first and saw who they were talking to, which I also appreciate. They weren't just, you know, spamming emails. But I checked out their Instagram and they just, a lot of beautiful work on there. Oh yeah. So this is like a black with almost a teal undertone. And the glitter's kind of teal as well. And again, one coat, which is strange for black. Look up close. Oh, I missed the spot. But there's really no show through at all. I like that. Now I'm gonna marble. Don't mind me while I play. Just because I've already marbled with these and I like how they turn out. Then we are gonna cure them and then we are gonna check out the top coat because top coat is important. Like, okay, you can do gel polish, but if you can't give me a good top coat that is shiny and pretty and not lumpy and weird, then I got no use for you. Ooh. Should we do a little of the black glitter in here too? I think we should. Just a little bit. Oop, too much. That's okay. I like how it marbles because it mixes, but it doesn't like change the color. It stays beside each other, not... Ooh, I like that. All right, we are gonna cure this and I will be right back to try the top coat. All right, we are cured. Oh look, it doesn't have that lump, it kind of blended. I like that. I didn't think that glitter would look great with it, but it really does. All right, let's top coat and see how that looks. I love the smell of this stuff. Like, I know that's weird, but real quick, let's look through it and see how bad the show through is. So it's pretty even. Like, there's no streaks or like bare spots. And you can barely see through it. Even the black. Nice. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed because that's, again, one coat. Like, I like that. It cuts down on product. You know, if I don't have to put 6 coats on it. All right, let's top coat these bad boys. I wonder if the top coat smells. My neighbor's gonna look through the window and think I'm weird sniffing nail polish in here. Okay, the top coat doesn't smell like anything. I love putting top coat on. It's like it reveals the nail. Maybe not so much with gel polish as acrylic, but I love it. We will be including a couple of bottles of Nail Addict in the 1K giveaway. Just because I love the smell. I like that it's one coat. I like how big the bottles are. And I hadn't even heard of them until they contacted me, which, bad on me. I should be keeping up with, you know, trends and stuff, but I haven't been doing proper market research, I guess, but I digress. Ooh. See, I'm bad with polish, guys. So I like when it self-levels and, you know, ignores my attempts to destroy it. I love this pink and blue. They are my favorite. I'm fangirling over the pink and blue just because that blue is so deep and bright, which is weird. All right, let's fry these suckers and we'll be right back. All right. Look at that gloss. So the top coat is not no wipe, so you do need to wipe it down with alcohol, but it is super glossy and reflective. Like, there's my ring light. There is my bar light. Ooh, you can see my camera. Look at that. That's cool. Okay, anyway, so if you guys get a chance, check them out. Like I said, it's amazing one coat. There are absolutely no thin spots. I'm a fan. We will be including some in the 1K giveaway, so if you guys get a chance, check them out. I really kind of like what they're doing here with the vegan and the no nine. Like, they're an ethically responsible company who is not afraid of their product, which I really appreciate, which is why I decided to work with them. I am not being paid for this. Let me just say that. I decided to do this because I wanted to, not because I was being compensated. So, yeah, and you guys know me. I got a big mouth, so I really appreciate what they're doing there. I'm a fan. So yeah, if you get a chance, check them out. And as always, thanks for watching.